Yeah, so guys, so as I was saying, when you lock this door, within 20 to 30 seconds, the door or the remote control will lock this door automatically. It will lock it automatic. You see now this indicated light is working. Before, you see it will lock this door. So, and sometimes it doesn't lock because I have to use this manual to set the key or the remote control, but I haven't do it yet. So for example, now I've unlocked it. Let's see how it works. Before 20 to 30 seconds, this door have to lock by itself because of the control or remote control. And this remote control come with a shock sensor, yeah, which is under it. Now you see this door have lock. It has lock automatic. So now there is no key, but when you put key to the ignition, and you see when this, or you just turn the ignition to on, which is ACC, this would not lock again. Even you leave it like this, it will not lock until you lock it. You remove the key, 20 seconds, it will lock by itself. And you see this this switch, I put it to control the siren, because sometimes I don't want to use the alarm. So when I put it off and on, when I put it off, you can hear it. Now it's on. When I put it off, this is what I did by myself. It is not about, it did not came with the remote control. No, this is what I do by myself. Now the alarm system is working, but the siren doesn't work. When I put it off like this, it will not work. You understand me? So this is and the remote have blocking for the siren, and this is to open the siren. That is how everything works. So for the starting, I thought this car have a central lock system by itself, so which is power window or power lock. So before I start to install this alarm system, I did it for the first time. It doesn't work. It cannot, though the alarm, everything is working, but it doesn't lock the car, which is very bad. So I thought it cannot lock until I bought this one. So I ordered this one from Amazon. which is arrived this evening. And before this one arrive, I have already set up this one, which can lock, you see, lock, unlock. So I have already ordered this one. Which one? This one too came with a new. This is the wires, but this one too is a remote control central door lock system. Okay, so this is the manual of this one too, which is different from the one I used before. So this is power, electric power door locks and remote. So this is the cables, this is wires that can use for the system. This is the unit. Okay, this is the unit. This is the trigger. That this one is for the master door, which is the driver door, because this one have how many wires? I think 5, 2, 3, yeah, 5 wires. So this is the control one. This will control the whole system. This is, and in this one you can put this tray you can put each one. This is the master one, that's have 5 wires. So apart from that one, this one you can put it for driver side or passenger side for front. These two will go to back, left and right. And it came with this. This is the things that you can use to do all the system. You see, this is the nut and frames, wires, cable. This can lock and everything. So this is how they came with, and this is their this is the remote. It came with 2 remotes. 1, 2. See the remote. This is how it look like. Lock, unlock, and this is the trunk release. So I will leave the link on the comment section. If you like to use this system or this one, these 2 ones, this is what I was using now. This is what I bought for my own car, and this is the new one. I haven't used it, you see. So just inbox me and I'll know how to. I can fix it. I fix it for you. I can fix it for you if you want me to fix it. So I can fix it by myself. I can do it for you. Just send me a message. I will send person to do it, or I will come to do it by myself. You see, this is the indicated light, and this is how it works. And the door has lock. This one you can lock, or you can leave it. When you come out from the car, it will lock by itself, because 20 seconds without pressing any button, it will lock automatically. So guys, this is how everything work. You see, and look how it work. The indicated light, all is working. Everything is perfect. Thank you guys. If you have any message, just leave it on the comment section. I'll read it and I'll reply you. Bye bye.